Let us make so many different kinds of sentences out of this word who. And you can participate with me in the chat box. Okay, start making the sentences out of this word. And the word is who. Okay, I'll definitely read your sentences in the chat box. Okay, start writing the sentences. Who is your class teacher? Yes, of course. And you will also note these sentences on your notebook. Who is your class teacher? Okay, so this who is she? Very good. So this is the sentence given by Ira Sabza. Who is she? Who is she? And this sentence we got from Khalid and Jose. Who is she? Okay, okay. Give me more sentences. Was the best student. Okay, student in the class. Mr. Aryavir. Okay, you are absolutely right. Okay, first you will write these sentences on your notebook and then we will proceed further. Who is your best friend? So this sentence is again from Ira Sabzar. Who is your best friend? Then question mark. Who were shouting? WHO. Who were shouting? This is the sentence written by or given by Mr. Aryavi. Who is the monitor in this class? Who will be the next participant? Participant. Participants. Will be the next participant. Okay, so we will make more sentences out of this word who. Who you are talking to. Who is he? Very good. Who is he? Yes, of course. Why not, Mr. Aryavi? Fantastic job you are doing right. Who is he? Who you are talking to. Who you are talking to. Who was shouting in the class? Mr. Khalid and Joseph has given this sentence. Yes, absolutely fantastic. The sentence is grammatically correct. Who was shouting in the class? Okay. Who will be the next chief minister? Or who will be the next prime minister? Okay, so I have different kinds of sentences going through my mind. Right? I can say, who is your brother? Isn't it? Who is your sister? Who is your English speaking trainer? Who is your English teacher? Who is your math teacher? Yes, we can make hundreds of sentences out of this. Who is your father? Yes, why not? Who is your father? Mr. Khalid Hosef. reminds me of my team. Who is the captain of your team? This is absolutely fine sentence written by Mr. Khalid and Jose. Okay. Who is the captain of your team? Okay. Sahil Singh has written in the chat box, who was the second prime minister of India? Who was the second prime minister of India? Yes, this is a correct question. Grammatically, it's right. Who will speak English? Who will give me red pen? Who is Sahil? Yes, why not? Who is Sahil? Khalid and Huzaif. Your comment is being displayed on the screen. Who is the father of computer? I really appreciate my dear students. You are doing fantastic job. You are activating your brain cells and you are present in the classroom. It makes the class more exciting and interesting. Now, who will be the captain? Yes, of course. Who will be the captain? Okay, so let us make the sentences from the next word. Okay, so thank you for your participation. You have really done a great job, commendable job, and appreciable. Okay, so let us learn more sentences. Okay, so let's make the sentence basically. Let's make the sentences out of this word. When is your birthday? When is your turn? Mr. Aravar and Mr. Hosef and Khalid, you are on fire. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? So if you celebrate birthday, then you can ask this question. When is your birthday? When is your turn? Okay, I appreciate your participation. When is Holi? When will you go? आप कब जाएंगे? When will you go? When do you go to school? Of course, Mr. Aryavi. When do you wake up in the morning? सुबह आप कितने बजे उठते हैं? When do you have breakfast? Ira Sabzar has basically given the correct sentence. When do you sleep? आप कब सोते हो? When do you sleep? When do you have your lunch? When do you have the dinner? When will be English class? Okay, I got your sentence in the chat.